Hey guys, I want to show you a few things in SKYBOARDS. It's a desktop environment I'm working on. So this is just running in my web browser. It's a basic front end right now. Um, Go ahead and open a calculator, and here's your close buttons are over here. Now the thing is really gonna come alive when we actually run the SkyBridge, which is a Python backend that connects us to a little bit more of our machine and some personalization. So what we have now is the front window boards with our desktop. And this whole environment you can pan around and zoom. Separately, as separate layers, you have your desktop layer in the back, and then your front window layer that you would normally expect. And then these windows you can send to the back as well. That's now a backboard, which interacts with your other desktop items. And the way these things work, they just kind of all push around. We've got a couple bugs still, but to make room for themselves. So bring it back forward. Anyway, these things are all resizable. We got some like zoom controls in Windows themselves on desktop items, okay, as well as just about everything. Is kind of want things to pan and zoom around. All right, it's like give you some more room, you know. So we've got SkyBridge running now. Boxes is another level of personalization. So a box, you would essentially like point to a folder, and now, oh, that's broken. You would have access to your files and like a terminal that's going to be right. It'll open right into that folder. This one is what? That's not working. Okay, but we're still working on some things. Anyway, this is just the basic setup. These, you can double click into these boxes, and now this is like its own virtual desktop with its own theme as well. And we kind of have a lot of customizations, for, you know, we call the sky as your desktop. You get your boxes, and they all have a frame, and a cloak is this thing you can like, you can hide. You know, you saw that in the beginning. But anyway, so each desktop gets its own settings potentially, and you can like come back out. You can have boxes in boxes too. That's something we got going on. I guess the sort of the last thing I want to show, we'll keep this video real short, is our file viewer has a couple of cool features, because you can let's go, let's say we're here. Nested view is like, you know, there's your tree. You have tile view. You can go nested tiles. That's kind of neat. We still need a little bit of work here. And then you've got columns. I've got columns of tiles. And I could do columns of the lists, right? And these this whole column view is also sort of a pan and scan map. You can work it that way with the middle mouse button. We got color coding by file age or type, and then this watch feature will just watch all these folders for new files coming in, and they'll sort of like pop on the screen when they show up. So anyway, there's more to come. There's also the whole AI side to this, but I'll save that for another video. So have a good one.